Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to enter in your gift card on Tiffany.com. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm over at Tiffany.com, and now from here I'm just going to put a random product into my basket. So I'm just going to shop for some bone cuffs. So I'm going to do this gold one here. I'm going to add this to my bag. And now what we need to do is head to the checkout section to add in your gift card. So it's added to bag, and now I'm going to continue to checkout. So I'm going to click on the checkout button here if it will allow me. Yep, here we are. I'm going to remove this bracelet. Alright, and now from here I'm going to go checkout again. Click on checkout, and you can either sign in or continue as a guest. So I'm just going to do a guest checkout. It works for either or, it doesn't matter. And now from here you want to put in your shipping address and all that stuff, or you can pick up in store, that doesn't matter. You can put in a gift message, which is optional. You can review your order. I'm going to click continue to the payment section, order confirmation section, sorry. And now from here under payment options, it says credit card, etc. But you can, where it says apply a gift card, click onto that. And now please enter your Tiffany gift card number and PIN. So you want to put in your gift card number and then your PIN here, and then apply a gift card. And whatever that amounts to, you can use your gift card to pay for your Tiffany.com purchase.